Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our channel. So, any particular LinkedIn, if you are using for any business purpose, what are the files you have to manage properly we can utilize? First of all, we can go to LinkedIn company page, any website. I'm selecting promoting narayana.mep.bangalore.com. This website I'm promoting with the Indie Design course in Bangalore. This particular course we have to promoting purpose. First of all, select option name is called profile. Lot of things are here. Add post, document, sharing, hiring, create poll, an event. Number of options are here. The name thing is called. Once you can create a kind of any videos, upload will be here. We can proper title we can utilize will be here. So what are the content you will be posting? Creating will be notepad on this. So compulsory video uploading time, you should be right will be video title is compulsory important. What are the course you promoting will be here? First of all, you can sharing will be LinkedIn company page. Why we can selecting company page is called our profile is not a brand. Our company page is your brand on LinkedIn account. So first of all, anything we have to follow this LinkedIn company page. First, you can post our image or post whatever things you have to upload. That is, first of all, we have to concentrate on the LinkedIn company page. After this post will be done, we have to share content on with the LinkedIn profile and Twitter also. If you are already Twitter will be posting, only this content you can sharing by the LinkedIn groups and LinkedIn profiles. Related groups you can join it, or you can common group you can utilize to post your content on LinkedIn option. Post will be immediate, we can repost will be possible, but video will be taking some time to finish the video option on your particular things. So here is the particular things we have follow here. After that, repost, only select your particular LinkedIn profile option, selecting and post option. So how many ways? What are the groups you have? So the all group will be here. Only one group will be there. We can't post. So that is called we are it in the particular option. Any group purpose we can selecting will be interior designers selected here. There is a number of options are here. Groups. Select the particular groups are here. But is a complete will be interior designer training. So what are the here options are here? You can utilize. So create your own group and share the content. Group own creation purpose, it will be here. So any further question for group creation, contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. The video already is there. How to create LinkedIn groups by Digital Rakesh. You can search. The video will be find out and check it out and finish your regular post will be here. Compulsory LinkedIn first you target will be company page. Company page you can target by your profile or your Twitter. What are the things you have that all you will be branding will be created on your LinkedIn company page option. So this is the follow the instructions and properly maintain the guidelines. And any further question, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.